Alright, quick video. Looks like my 335i BMW project is prematurely ending. Driving along after having the car serviced for a oil housing gasket leak at Carmax, and all of a sudden we heard a loud boom or poof. The car shuttered and it lost power and went into limp mode. And well, here's what we think it is. Actually, here's what we know it is. Check the video. Well, this was a short-lived adventure. Let's see, engine malfunction, service engine soon. Driving along and all of a sudden heard a nice poof. Felt like something in the back. Car shook and that was it. But that just means that I'm gonna take it back under Carmax's 30 days, 4,000 mile return policy. And yeah, that was very short lived. Damn, nice car though. All right, the BMW 335i is down. She's down for the count. Well, not really for the count, but that's just great. As I showed yesterday, we got a service engine light on, and it's kind of corrected itself, but I know what the problem is. It's a mass airflow sensor. And let me show you what the problem is. Now the service engine light don't even went off. So that light isn't on anymore, but and I know why it's probably not on anymore. And I want to thank Andre, my boy, for sending me those YouTube videos to kind of show you what's going on here. Is there a light? You gonna be see. Oh, I got a light on. You look right there. This charge pipe is broke. Cheap plastic BMW shit, which is common problem, but the light went off because I slid that back up there. I don't even know if that's really broke. That might just be the way it fits. But yeah, I think that's actually broke though. Yeah, that's broke. But the light went off when that goes back on there. So that's really not a major issue, to be honest with you. But I don't have no confidence in this. And I could probably fix that myself, to be honest with you. It's just a couple of wires. What, in the screw here? There's a charge pipe. You could probably just buy this, take that bracket loose, but I don't have time for that shit. So I'm just gonna take the car back, and yeah, this is a tweaker's car, and I can tweak a little bit, but I don't have time. I think you pop this off, the air box off, and I don't know if they did it when they fixed this. I just had it. I took it back to BMW under their warranty. I mean, not BMW, but Carmax under the warranty, and they replaced the oil filter housing gasket. I wouldn't see a reason that they'd have to mess with this. So it could have just broke from, regular boost, but that's the problem right there. Here's the problem. You could damn near take some gray tape and tape that sucker back up, and it'll be sufficient until boost kicks in. But I don't know, maybe they broke it, maybe it just broke from where the car's only got 45,000 miles on it. You would think this little plastic pipe would last longer than that, but according to the YouTube, that could break at any time. So, and this one broke. Actually, it was just regular driving. We were coming off the freeway, and all of a sudden we heard a poof, which would probably be that sound. The car shuddered a little bit, and then it went into limp mode. But you can still drive. You can tell though it had no boost. So if some little 20-year-old kid had this, he would probably just take that off. And you got two of them, don't you? If it's twin turbo, maybe, I don't know. Maybe you only got one. But they always say you'd have to replace that anyway, because it's just cheap plastic. And you get the heat and cold cycles here, and that just ends up breaking. And that's what happened. So a lot of people don't like buying cars from Carmax, but I do, because of that simple problem there. This is a nice car. Let me just say that up front. I would love to keep this thing. I really would, but yesterday you're riding with your lady, you're chilling, and all of a sudden, poof, your car break. That's not cool. So now they got a nice Beamer right there too. Yeah, that's not cool. So I'm gonna take it back. I'm gonna do a transfer on a 535 I seen, which is essentially the same car, just bigger. And damn, I was really liking this car. I was getting ready to put some wider tires on the back because they need replacing. I was gonna go with carbon fiber. I gotta take this off. I really don't mind leaving it on there, but I don't know how much they'll trip. Because it was on like $100. That's why I don't think it's real carbon fiber either. I don't know, it could be. But I think I can sell it on eBay. I don't know if that's real carbon fiber or not. But anyway, I gotta take it off. And I had big plans for this car, but she got to go. So the CarMax policy is 30 days, 1,500 miles. I think I might have drove this. It's got 45,500. I only drove it 300 miles. But Whoever gets this car, they're gonna be happy. They're going to be happy. Because I'm sure Carmax is just gonna go and probably put the same old cheap plastic charge pipe back on it. Take them maybe 30 minutes to do it. And then they'll sell it. But I'm done with it.